Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress templates. WordPress templates are fundamental to your website's appearance, dictating the overall layout and design. They control how your content, from blog posts to static pages, is presented to your visitors. Understanding templates is the first step to creating a visually appealing and functional online presence. We will cover everything from selection to advanced customization, ensuring you can build a site that truly stands out. Finding the right template is crucial. You can browse thousands of free options directly within the WordPress theme directory or invest in premium templates from popular marketplaces. Installation is straightforward. Simply navigate to your dashboard, select Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. For those with more technical expertise, uploading a custom template via FTP offers greater control. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes to complete. Once installed, customizing your template allows you to truly make it your own. The WordPress Customizer provides a live preview, letting you adjust colors, fonts, and layouts in real time. For more in-depth changes, you might edit template files directly, but always use a child theme to safeguard your work during updates. Many modern templates also integrate powerful drag-and-drop page builders, simplifying complex design tasks without needing any code. To ensure your website performs optimally, follow a few best practices. Always select a responsive template, guaranteeing your site looks great on devices of all sizes, from a small smartphone to a large desktop monitor. Prioritize lightweight templates for faster loading speeds, which significantly improves user experience and search engine rankings. Remember to regularly update your templates for security and new features, and always perform a full website backup before making any significant changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.